given a function uppercase f whose derivative is uppercase f prime of x. If we let f prime of x be equal to lowercase f of x, then the antiderivative of uppercase f prime of x dx is equal to uppercase f of x, the original function, plus c. The function whose derivative is uppercase f of x is equal to f prime of x. That's what it means. Now we know that uppercase f prime of x is f of x. So the antiderivative of lowercase f of x dx is equal to uppercase f of x plus c. Then we'll take the derivative of the antiderivative of f of x dx. We undo what we just did, which will be equal to the derivative of uppercase f of x, which is f prime of x, and the derivative of c, which is 0. The derivative of uppercase f of x is equal to f prime of x, and the derivative of a constant c is equal to 0. Now, the derivative of the antiderivative of f of x dx is equal to, well, it's equal to f of x, the original function. Play the tape again if you did not understand it the first time. Bye.